Hi, welcome to Sevat recipe. Today I'm going to do cabbage and prawn stir fry. Let's get started. Adding in oil, chopped onion, and then saute them. Put in some salt as usual. Add in garlic. Followed by curry leaves and chopped chili. Adding in fresh prawns. Add in coriander powder, pepper, cinnamon, little bit of brown sugar. Sugar is optional. I'm adding in little bit more salt. Now it's ready to put in cabbage. For the cabbage, some people like to eat crunchy, some people like to cook well, and for me I like to cook 70%. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to add little water. And I'm going to close and open and stir them. I close again because I feel the cabbage need to be softened more. Now the water released by the vegetable, it's look more juicy. I'm giving a final stir before I dish out. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe to Sevat recipes, and also click the bell icon to get your notification. Thank you so much.